So we're going to go ahead and look at our uploads. Click on upload and we're going to remove the background. That's my client. Alright, so here I am at the Starbucks. When you want to move images, you just click on it and hold it. That's another video, isn't it? Alright, deleting the background. Edit image. Background remover. Again, you see this little crown right here. That means it's a pro feature. Click on that background and it does the work. Alright, so here we have me with no background, previously a gray stone background. Now if you don't want all of this extra here, you just go over here and click on erase. Choose your brush size. So this is your brush. You choose your brush size and you just go over here and you click to delete. And of course, to get a little bit closer, you make the brush size smaller. But if you accidentally mess up, so like I'm gonna click here, if you accidentally mess up, you click on restore, and it's easy as that. I'm gonna go back to erase so I can get here. Not perfect, good enough. Click done, and there is your image without a background.